Hello friends, welcome to Get Set Throttle. Today we will be looking at 7 different scale models from various price categories to help you decide which one will be best suitable for your collection. So the first model we are looking at today is a 1:43 Lexus RCF, which is the smallest of the 7 models we are looking at today. The first thing to notice about 1:43 cars is that there aren't any opening parts and that they are usually made from die-cast metal. These models are available from as cheap as Rs 300 and can go all the way up to Rs 25,000 for ones that are made by die-cast car manufacturers such as Kyosho and AutoArt, which are generally sold by car dealers. This scale is a great choice for those who plan to collect several scale models as they don't take up a lot of space. It can also be used to decorate your work table as they usually come with a neat little display case. Next, we move on to the second smallest model from our collection, which happens to be a 1:32 Toyota Camry. The first thing we immediately notice here is that there are a few opening parts such as the doors and the hood. However, on moving closer, we can notice that the details here aren't as perfect as we would like it to be, and this scale is best suitable for kids to play with as they usually come with a pull-back effect. These models can be purchased for anywhere between 200 and 1000 rupees. Moving further, we come to our next scale model, which is a 1:24 Bugatti EB110. This scale of cars can be a good choice for those who are looking for some well-detailed replica of their dream cars without spending a fortune. As you can look closer, this car is pretty well detailed and also has opening doors. These 1:24 cars can be bought for between 1700 and 2500 rupees. Now we move on to the next model of our collection, which is a 1:18 Bugatti Chiron. This scale happens to be the most favorite among scale model collectors as it features high levels of exterior as well as interior details. This particular model has been made by Burago and costs about 5000 rupees. However, there are even more well-detailed 1:18 models made by Kyosho and AutoArt, which can cost anywhere up to 35,000 rupees. Next, we come to the second 1:18 car of our collection, that is a Rolls-Royce Phantom extended wheelbase made by Kyosho. One can immediately notice the presence of better quality paint finish as well as exterior trims in comparison to the 1:18 Bugatti Chiron made by Burago that we just saw before. The reason why these models cost so much is that they consist of high number of opening parts like the armrests, glove box and center console, along with all the doors, hood and trunk. As you can see, the level of detailing on these models are very high that they have even replicated the seat belts, the floor mats lined with felt and the stitch pattern on the seats. Even the engine compartment consists of a well-detailed miniature of the V12 from an actual Rolls-Royce Phantom. The next model from our collection happens to be this wonderful 1:18 Pagani Huayra BC in a chameleon shade sealed in a nice glass case. This well-detailed model is painstakingly handcrafted by experts using resin and costs about 45,000 rupees. These kind of models are usually made in limited numbers like this Pagani here, which is one of just 28 made for the entire world and hence demand a very high price, which can sometimes be a few lakhs. This model is meant only for showcasing or for serious collectors. And finally, last but not the least of our collection is this 1:14 Aston Martin DBS. This scale is commonly used by manufacturers such as Maisto and Raystar for making remote controlled cars for kids. These models are large in size and have decent levels of exterior details. However, they are made from plastic and not die-cast metal like the other cars we saw today. These cars can be bought for anywhere from 3000 to 5000 rupees. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give us a like and click on the subscribe button if you like this video.